Hey, what's up, chillins, villains out there? Today we're going to be checking out the Yeezy QNTM Basketball and the Week 1 2021 Spring Summer Supreme pickups I grabbed.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Alright, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that little, thumbs up thing. It's a like button. You want me to keep showing you the different items that I get in, then definitely like this content to show you're cool with me. And but anyways, I'm looking in this Supreme bag right now. Picked up a couple pairs of the Supreme boxers in the purple color. There's only 2 in here. The other pack did have 4, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the regular pack has 4 in them. It doesn't even have the season on there because they've just been having those boxers every single season. But the purple ones, they are new, so thought I'd pick up a few pairs of those. We also have this. Oh, these are the bubbles. That's what this is. The free gift for the Week 1 people, or whoever they decide to give it to in the coming weeks and whatnot. But pretty much everybody Week 1 for the 2021 got this little. Oh wait, this is the aluminum dice. I thought this was the bubbles. That's so weird. But we'll check out the aluminum dice. There's your label on there, and oh, it's a little bit tough to open. Okay, there we go. Alright, it does come in this bubble wrap. Just a bubble wrap sleeve. And there are your dice. Oh, let's see. Pretty nice looking. Let's see, is there? Yeah. Oh. And the 1 is just Supreme. You got the other numbers. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Do we got any? I don't even see any other stickers or anything in here, so I grabbed a couple of white t-shirts, size large. This is a size large in Supreme. These are going to be the exact same size. Both these 2 tees here in this bag, Week 1 tees. Yeah, no stickers this week. What is with Supreme? I don't think they've ever done that where they didn't even give you 1 sticker. But, whatever. So, Supreme does fit a little bit oversized. I mean, this is a really standard size large. It almost feels like it might not be quite as wide as some size large t-shirts are. The length is definitely there, if not a little bit more length, and that's why in the summertime I like to wear a medium, so it comes up a little bit higher so I can wear some shorts and not look like I'm not wearing shorts or something. Yeah, anyways, here's the stickers on these. There's that one. The other one. You have your tags on the back of the neck, front and back of that one, and then this one as well. There it is. Always good to look at this kind of information, legit checks and whatnot, just so you're more familiar with what's legit Supreme looks like, so you're not fooled quite as easily, because yeah, people be tricking out there. They're even trying to mess with me, trying to trick me. Supreme's trying to mess with me, not giving me any stickers or bubbles. What's up? Come on. Alright, well, I'm gonna open up the Yeezy QNTMs. This pair I picked up like last month, or not exactly this pair, but the same silhouette, and it was just too tight. It was too small. It's 10.5. That's my normal size, and I have 350s and 10.5. They fit great. They feel wonderful. I don't have to lace them really. This pair of the basketball version I was actually kind of after because I need some new hooping shoes. I really haven't bought any basketball shoes since the Hardens, like the first Hardens with the Adidas. Yeah, so I need a new pair, and I'm hoping these ones are gonna work. I'm hoping they're not crazy heavy as I'm out there. That's the only thing I'm really worried about. Anyways, I did pick these up from St. Alfred. So they went ahead and put it in this really nice St. Alfred bag, which is, yeah, it's all like basically the same exact size as this box. Yeah, that's a really cool setup. Looks really nice. If I could go shopping, I definitely would, but it's not something we can do right now with COVID, really. You gotta shop online. Alright. We do have our receipt in here as well. And yeah, that's it. So, we got Boost, basketball, Yeezy basketball made by Adidas. Just Adidas on the bottom. And then our label right here. You guys can check this out. know how to legit check. Be checking your labels, making sure they line up, but then, you know, they could always just be using a really great box or a real box and then put some fake kicks inside. So be cautious of that too. Even though this pair isn't reselling like for insane amounts of money, you still have to watch out for fake producers, because they don't really need to sell it for very much. Like, they're just trying to make some money on whatever kicks they can. So if they can sell them to you for 150 bucks, then they definitely will. Yeah, so we do have some hang tags on here, just some standard Adidas Yeezy hang tags that we've seen before. A whole bunch of paper in here. Loads and loads. This pair does look actually really sick. This piece here, they basically put on all of the Quantums, it looks like, the same exact color even. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Let me know if there's been some Yeezy basketballs that have had a different color little suede patch there. And I don't even know if that is real suede or if it's some sort of synthetic material. There's this little black thing, I cannot get it to come off of there. Okay, there we go. All right. I really like the X in this heel. I mean, last year when these were leaking, I was so excited to get a pair to try them out. I really wanted to wear them even just for basketball. This enclosure here though, this does seem like this is like crazy tight. Yeah, this is gonna be hard to get your heel into. Or I think it might be, I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, so I'm so glad that I went with size 11 on this pair, because I really need it, and they look even bigger than the regular Quantums. The sole seems bigger. It's probably not, but I feel like this basketball model is just an overall just giant, or more giant shoe than even the other version, the more street version or whatever. But yeah, they definitely fit very snug. You might even want to go up a full size, if not just a half size. But yeah, the lines are really great in the design. I love the jelly over top of this transparent, really breathable mesh panel on the side. Those waves in that gel just look super dope. And then that heel, it's got all that sparkle in there as well, little hints of 3M. It is a little bit tough to get your foot into the ankle of the shoe, but once you get over that fact, once you get used to it, get them a little bit broken in, then I think you'll be golden. I'll be hooping out in these. Keep you guys posted on how they wear in out on the court. Yeah, so I am gonna shoot some positivity at you guys before I let you go. Can't just let you go without shooting something funny at you, or something insightful or mindful. Today I'm just gonna show you this meme, stolen from Reddit. It's nunchucks. Come on, how can you not be happy about that? That doesn't make your day, and my mustache isn't making your day. My mustache is not making your day. Then I don't know what to tell you. So just find a way to be happy. I'm gonna try and stay motivated, just keep after it, even though the world just feels like sometimes it's crashing down and you feel depressed, you feel anxious. I deal with a lot of depression and anxiety and even suicidal thoughts sometimes, which I really try and push out of my mind. But you know, sometimes when you get down that rabbit hole of falling into your own brain, it can get a little bit seclusive and a bit overwhelming. So I definitely feel for anybody out there who also struggles. We can definitely struggle together and just help push each other in a positive direction. That's what I'm all about. Let's make it happen, and I will see you guys in a bit. You know, I'm still around. Peace.
Might have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack.